In this video, let me show you how to turn on admin approval in a group chat messenger. Whenever you turn on the admin approval, other people cannot be directly added and the admin must approve other people so that they can be added to the group. So if you are the admin of a particular group on Messenger, let me show you how you can turn on the admin approval. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into the video. Open up the group chat where you want to turn on the admin approval and then tap on the eye icon on the top right. From here under chat info, you'll be able to see this option called a message request. By default, this would be off. You just need to toggle this on. And it says right here, require an admin to approve all requests to join the group chat. This option would only be visible to you if you are the admin of the group. If not, you won't be able to see this option of turning on the member request. And from now on, when someone gets added to the group, you must first approve them to add them as a member on the group. So that's the way that you can turn on admin approval in a group chat. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.